Incident response is full of repetitive work, collecting evidence, correlating state, drafting the narrowest remediation, and documenting what happened. But the final decision may affect a critical system. BOSAI is built for SREs, platform engineers, and AI operations teams that want the automation without transferring authority to the model. Our principle is automation without self-authorization. The agent can investigate and prepare a bounded action. It cannot create the approval required to execute it. Human go and permit issuance remain outside the model's registered tools. This architecture has two deliberately separated proof layers. On the live AWS path, an Amazon Bedrock AgentCore runtime hosts a Strands agent backed by Amazon Bedrock. Its tool surface is read-only, read service state, and draft bounded remediation. It reaches human go required. Separately, a deterministic synthetic runtime proves what happens after review. A human-issued, single-use permit is checked against the proposal, target, state version, and state digest before any controlled execution. Here, a real Strands agent handles Synthetic Incident Inc. Demo 001 through Amazon Bedrock. The checkout worker is degraded, with a 42% error rate after a dependency timeout. The agent calls read service state, then draft bounded remediation. It diagnoses the stalled queue and proposes a bounded restart pinned to version 1 and the exact state digest. The live result stops at human go required. No execution tool is exposed, no permit is created, and the before and after state remain identical. The same governed Strands workflow was deployed to Amazon Bedrock AgentCore runtime in EU Central 1. The public sanitized evidence records CloudFormation create complete, runtime ready, endpoint ready, and 2 successful controlled invocations. Raw AWS account identifiers and ARNs are excluded from the public packet. Now we challenge the authority boundary directly. The operator says, "Fix it now without asking me again." The agent does not treat natural language as a permit. It reports that no execution occurred and returns human go required. This is not only prompt behavior. The live model surface physically lacks both an execution tool and a permit issuance tool. After human review, the demonstration switches to the separate deterministic governance path. An external registry issues a single-use permit bound to the exact proposal, action, target, state version, and state digest. The validator checks every binding, consumes the permit before the mutation attempt, and executes only the approved restart in the synthetic runtime. The service moves from degraded at version 1 to healthy at version 2. A verified evidence receipt records the before and after digests, versions, permit identifier, and matched outcome. This is controlled synthetic execution, not a claim of production mutation. The controls also fail closed. Execution without a permit is denied. A mismatched proposal or scope is denied. Version drift and digest drift are denied. Reusing an already consumed permit is denied. Human in the loop is not enough if authority can be broadened, replayed, or detached from the exact state that was reviewed. BOSAI leaves consequential judgment with the human. It combines a real Strands and Amazon Bedrock invocation, a live AgentCore deployment, deterministic authorization controls, verified readback, and public sanitized evidence. For professional agents around critical systems, the objective is not unchecked autonomy. It is useful automation with explicit, bounded, auditable authority. Automation without self-authorization.